your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
And good afternoon. A beautiful Friday here on December 2nd. Skycam showing that blue sky and a few cirrus clouds up there. Satellite and radar not showing too much going on overhead. It's mostly clear. We've got some clouds off to the west, a few snow showers and flurries up over the Green Mountains of Vermont and out towards the Midwest. As we widen it out here, though, there's a developing moisture scenario happening here again in the lower and central Mississippi Valley. This is a developing storm system that will be heading towards the Great Lakes once again, and it will bring us, again, wind, balmy temperatures, really warm tomorrow, and also some rain. So here's the high pressure system sitting right over us today. Whenever you have high pressure right on top, not much wind at all, but the high slides out, rotating clockwise will bring in the southerly breeze tonight, which will actually keep us a little milder as it brings in the higher dew point temperatures, and that will keep temperatures up. It will also bring in a little bit of cloud cover, thin clouds at that, but for the most part, by early morning, we'll start to see the sky cloud up as these clouds edge in here. Here's 7 a.m., so that's right around just after sunrise, and it's cloudy. So that helps us stay warmer tonight as well. But here comes a round of rain out ahead of the front. We call this a prefrontal trough in meteorology, but it's basically a batch of moisture out ahead of the front. That's going to move through, and then the front's going to follow it just a couple of hours after. So here's the front at noontime, or rather the moisture at noontime, right on top of us. Moderate rain, heavy rain around midday tomorrow. It should start around 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's going to go through about maybe 2, 3, 4 o'clock. There it goes. It pushes off to the east. This is 5 o'clock. It's already way offshore here. And then we have the trailing cold front that'll come through with perhaps one last shower, 5 or 6 o'clock, and then things are going to dry out after that. It gets cooler and drier, and actually Sunday is setting up to be a lot like it is today. So it's looking pretty good for Sunday. So here's the storm timeline. Wind gusts 35 to 50 miles per hour between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. That's the window for the highest wind gusts. Heaviest rain is in the afternoon, as I mentioned, and the rain departs early in the evening. And there is a gale warning in effect for the offshore waters, same wind speed there as well. Here's the wind, 10 o'clock in the morning, ramping up right along the shoreline, getting close to 50 miles per hour, noontime as well. Here's 2 o'clock, and notice everywhere in Rhode Island and points east, wind speeds, the gust of wind could reach 50 miles per hour. And then that starts to shift eastward. This is 3 o'clock. Notice still in Newport County, we still have quite a bit of wind there, but then it shifts eastward towards the Cape and then moves out after that. So here's the forecast for tomorrow, 58 with a wind-driven rain that is midday, and then a south wind 25 to 50 miles per hour, and the 7-day forecast showing that sunshine coming back Sunday and Monday before another round of showers middle of next week.